In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to deposit on XM Real account. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open XM and you have to create a real account first. So click on demo here and click on this plus here, new account. Choose real account and here you have to choose MT5 or MT4. For me, I will keep it on MT5. Click on continue. You have to choose the type of account you want. So for me, I will keep standard and click on continue. We have here the leverage, you can change it. We have the currency and we have the name here. You can change it, for example, to real, to this one, for example. Click on I declare that I have carefully read and click on continue. You have to add your trading account password. For me, I will use this one and click on complete. Okay, now we are in our real account, as you can see here. Now all you have to do is click on deposit. Click on deposit here. And now, as you can see, this is the payment method available for me. We have the Nettler and we have Google Pay, but I need to verify my account. Okay, so all you have to do is click on it and continue verifying your account. You will need your ID. Okay, for me, this is just an account for the video. After that, you can deposit your money. It's that easy. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.